Hey guys, what's up? You're about to witness a sting operation. What do I mean? We are going to secretly record a rider making a delivery, right? You know, like if you're in America, there are some stores where the owners will pay people to secretly go inside and shop and then come back to the owner and report the quality of the service. Well, we do that every now and then for our riders. We have them deliver to a friendly customer just to watch if they are following all the protocols that they're supposed to follow, especially now that it is COVID-19 time. So I'm here with Cordia. Say hi Cordia.
Hi.
So Cordia is one of our friendly customers, of course. That's why I'm inside the woman house. she's allowing us to do this. So I will be inside here. When the rider arrives, I'm gonna stay at the window and I'm gonna record it to make sure that he's following all the protocols, right? This is a part of our quality assurance standards, right? So we do it every now and then. So we're waiting for the rider to show up. He called ahead, so we're waiting for him to show up. And then I stay at the window there and record him. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see how he performs. All right? Cool. Cordia, what was that? How was that? That was good?
Very good.
All right.
It's polite,
It's
friendly,
polite.
customer friendly.
Yeah.
And your package looks like it's in good care. So
Nice. Hopefully, did the see? You know, look like him see me. So guys, as a part of it, though, he's supposed to ride out of the community at a moderate speed. All right. So that's a part of our policy. So he's heading out now. Let's see if he does that. Off he goes. He doesn't know I'm watching. Alright, very good. So he's riding out. Alright, nice. That's a good speed. Very